right, so we are still learning array. Then we have learned how to add to the beginning of a list and how to add to the end. What if you want to add into the middle of an array item? So how can we do that? So we can start by calling the name of the, let me quickly delete this. So the name of the variable, the name of the array, so and then it is cast, then we say dot splice. So dot splice, then you're going to open your parameter. After opening the parameter, now you're going to call the, let's say we want to put it after the rav4. After rav4, you know, we have explained to ourselves before that an array, inside an array, Lexus is at the index of 0, ML is at the index of 1, this one is at the index of 3. So let's say we want it to start after this index of 3. So whatever we want to add now, we want it after this index of 3. Are you getting that now? So you're going to, inside is your parameter, these are parentheses you're going to put there. So that is 3, right? So you're going to 0 1 2. So you can make it to be 4. You want it to be at the position of 4, then comma if you don't want anything to be deleted, so you say 0. So this 4 means that you want it to start, you want what you want to add now to start at the position of index 2. Are you getting now? Then after this, so position index 2, then you're going to add what you actually want to add. So what are the names of the cars we want to add now? So let's say we want to add Ferrari. Put your comma, then so this now, let's go and check it here. You're going to see that these two things you just added will be placed at the index of 4. So where is the index of 1? This is 0 1 2 3. So that means will be placed after Camry. So let's check now. Okay, can you see? So this is that of 0 1 2 3. So it placed the two items, the new two items, after the index of, from the index of 4, and it is not removing anything at all. So that is how to add. We call this one splicing method. So we call it splicing method. We can also delete. I'm coming. We can also delete some of our arrays. So if you want to delete, you declare delete, then you mention the cars, the name of the arrays, that is cars, and then you declare your square bracket, which is worry, and tell us which of it you want to delete. This one is at the index of what? 0 1 2. So it's at the index of 2. So let's choose that for instance. Now you will see that rav4 will not be there again. Okay, can you see? So rav4 has been deleted, so we now have empty space here. Alright, see you in the next class.